Yeah. Nishant, hello. Nishant, how are you? Nishant, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are able to hear me. Good.
Audible, sir.
Ragul, Nishant, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Nishant, are you able to hear me? Yeah, very good, very good. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Now I am waiting for some more candidates to come because suddenly I changed the plan from there to this place. Um, mm, so Adina,
I think various students are waiting for the Google Meet, sir.
Google Meet. Acha. So shall I go to Google Meet and tell them you please come here? Correct? That will
Yes,
be
sir.
better. That will be better. I will go there. I will go there
Yes, sir.
and tell them to come here.
Or rather than you send notification, whatever
I
the
already
students who.
I already sent notification in this, but
Okay.
maybe people are not seeing that. So
Yes.
I'll be available in Google Meet,
Okay.
and possibly here it will not come. No? I don't know. I will switch
Okay.
off the turn on camera. Camera is not on. Yeah. Nobody has come, Baba, here. Nobody has come.
Yes, sir.
Nobody has come. So if anybody comes, we will know. Yeah.
Yes.
Nobody has come. Nishant is there. Who else is there? Only one person.
Yes, sir. Only me.
Yeah, only one person. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Some sound is coming from where? I don't know. Nishant. Yeah, Nishant. One more person is there. Ragul Srinivas. Good. Acha, when is your interview?
Yes, sir.
Nishant, when is your interview?
Okay. Sir,
Sir, tomorrow at 12:45 p.m. to 1:15 p.m.
Where? In Maharashtra?
Yes, sir. Online.
Maharashtra, or where are you?
I'm in Maharashtra.
Very good. Naveen, which date is your interview? Naveen, unmute कर लीजिए. Naveen, please unmute and tell the answer. Unmute. Right.
Hello, sir.
And Naveen,
Hello.
which date is your interview?
Sir, Friday evening, 6:45, sir.
Oh,
6:15
Friday.
to 6:40.
Oh, good. What is the date? 19th.
Sir, 19th, 6:15 p.m. to 6:45 p.m., sir.
Very good. Very good. Mr. Ragul, your interview is on?
mine is on 19th and timings at 12:45 to other half an hour, 1:15.
Which place or where are you living?
Chennai, sir. I am from Chennai.
Very good, very good. Now, if some of you have some friends whose number is with you, you can tell them we are now in Google. I have posted in our I have posted in our Federal Bank group, that is Telegram group.
Total, how many members should come, sir?
I don't know. So many people are.
Okay.
Today, I think I expect about 5 or 6 more to come. Adira, Nega.
I am not aware of any friends,
Yeah,
any
you
known
don't
people.
know. I know, I know. One Nishant Rajput came, but some people may not have possibly Zoom software may not be there possibly.
Yes, sir. That must be problem for people.
No, but I am now open in our. I am.
We are just only 4 people, and in that Naveen also didn't respond yet.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah, but In the
Sir,
Google,
Samba Sivan
he has been
yesterday
selected.
joined with us.
He has joined.
Yes, yesterday he was there
Yeah,
when we conduct meeting.
yeah, he has been selected. He has been selected in that interview.
That's great then.
Yeah. He was struggling, but he has been selected. That's really nice.
Yes, sir.
And now this Google Meet, let me go and check up whether anybody is
Okay, sir.
waiting there. Whether anybody is waiting there. Sorry, we will. If this time is over, we will start again. Don't worry.
Okay. Just let us know in Telegram, sir.
No. Now
Then.
you continue here only. Now you be
Okay.
here only. Now I will come. I'm just trying
Yes,
to
sir.
find out
Sure.
whether anybody is coming here. If anybody comes here, I will admit him here. Yeah. Okay, we will initiate. Start with, there has been some change in the procedure. Earlier, what they were doing, they were asking everybody to speak without any reservation. Whereas now, what they have done is they have said that people have to talk for about 30 seconds or so. So some such condition they have introduced. So that is a recent change. If Sambasiva comes, maybe he'll be able to throw more light on that. Sambasiva, has he come? Yeah, good.
That would be great then.
Sambasiva, you have come. You're running.
Yes.
Success comes from what we do consistently. Good. Sambasiva, please unmute your this thing.
Congratulations, brother.
Congratulations.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Congratulations,
Thank you,
Sambasiva.
sir.
Please tell about your experience. Good. Very
Sir, thank you.
happy. Very happy. Tell me
Sir,
your experience.
Congratulations.
Thank you, everyone.
Others are congratulating you.
Yes, sir, thank you,
Yeah,
everyone.
congratulations. Yeah, kindly share your interview experience. Like, what's your topic and how you reacted, presented. It's just kind of briefly mention the scenario.
Okay, sir. Firstly, thank you very much to you and your guidance, and for your class only I will develop a
Good.
lot and lot. Yesterday only you told that somewhat you talking good. Today I talk very much confident, sir.
Good. You talked with confidence.
Yes, sir. I
Excellent.
talk very.
What was the
Yes,
topic given to you?
Sir, topic was the day before yesterday, same topic that MBA student with a dream company joining the interview later. He joined in other company. Afterwards, the dream company came to interview in the college, sir.
Because that would have helped you because you have discussed that once or twice already. We have discussed that. Good.
Yes, sir. We discussed
What were the points you added there?
Actually, I added points. Though he was a dream company, but it is unable to take the recruitment on time. At that time, other company has recruited to him, but actually his dream company was his dream is to join in dream company. Later on, the company is recruited in the college. Afterwards, if he want to wish in the dream company, he attended to the interview, but there is only one selection only. Even though he selected, even though he want to join in the interviewer. If you want to select, he can resign to the other company. Otherwise, he may join later on after he getting experience. If there is any notice period, if he can join afterwards in his dream company.
Yeah, so nice. So you have done really well. You have done really well. Acha, what was, how many people were there in the group? 10 or 12?
Actually, total eight students, sir, and two that interviewers,
Two
two
facilitators.
two facilitators.
Two facilitators. And was it like this, or what was the Microsoft team? How was the arrangement in that?
Sir, actually, I will explain briefly. Actually, there are eight students. One guy was absent, and another lady got problem on mic. That mic, she unable to speak. Her voice is not listened to interviewer. Because of that, they permitted to next slot. Actually, she was lucky. She allowed in next session.
Good.
Uh,
That's really nice of the bank. Yeah.
Sir. Overall, that in 8, 2 people were deleted. Only we are 6 people were there. So, and session same like this Zoom or Google Meet only, sir. According to same this how it is there. Same that mute unmute all every option. Directly it will open the Google only.
What were the other students talking nicely, or any good point was told by other candidate?
Actually, same points are repeated, sir, because it is situational question. The points are very. Actually, interviewer told that he given time to each and every person. What he given numbers to each person. According to numbers only, we have to talk. First Sambashi.
That is the arrangement. Your turn
Example,
was
first
or second.
Ram Kumar, second Shiva, like that. My number is actually 8th or 9th.
So nice. You are lucky.
He given time to every. He told that I'm giving numbers. You speak at your chance. 30 seconds. Afterwards,
sorry for interrupting.
Only
Like
30
you
seconds.
just told how the interview happened. Like they first allocated the numbers, like finger.
Yeah. No. Let me summarize. Rahul. See, people were asked to assemble. 8 members were put into the group. 2 facilitators were there. Each person was given a number. Then they were given a topic. They were asked to think over the topic. They were also told that they have been assigned numbers, and when in order of that number, they have to speak initially for 30 seconds. Now, my question to Sambasiva, after 30 seconds, everybody talking, did he allow active participation by anybody in the group, or with that only GD was decided?
no, sir. Actually, he first only told I'm giving 30 seconds. After all participants turn over, you can participate in group.
Acha, good.
He told initially only.
At that time, what happened? Was it going like what we had in our sessions, like a fish market? Everybody was talking, or how was it going?
Actually, it was very cool, sir, because we are only 6 members. He given 30 seconds, but we spoke 1 minute also in first time only. Afterwards also, all are talking very cool. Like only 6 members or 7 members are there. We are waiting, like not like a hurry. We are waiting. Okay, he completed, and I was joined in not middle. According to his last point, ending point. Yes, sir. I spoke 3, 4, 4, 5 times, I think.
Very good. Congratulations.
And Rahul, conclusion also given by me, sir.
Rahul, you have any doubts now?
Yes, sir. Like I can't able to follow him because his voice is like somewhat audible. Maybe I'm traveling right now. Can I just need to talk.
No.
Then like, I can't able to follow properly.
Rahul Srinivas, you cut off your video because your broadband width is not sufficient. Wi-Fi is not sufficient.
No, I off my. Yes, sir. I turned off my video, sir.
You turned off your video. Or do you have any other phone number with you? Then you can listen in that also. No, but doesn't matter. What he told, shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Rahul, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I can able to hear you also.
Rahul, he said that as soon as the GD started, people were allotted numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
And in that, one
Okay.
member did not attend, absent. Another member participated, but her phone was like yours. Abhi, whatever experience you are now having, that candidate was having similar problem.
Okay.
So she was advised to go to the next round. So only 6 people were there
Okay.
in his group. The facilitator told
Okay. Okay.
them to start for 30 seconds, talk for 30 seconds. But it seems since only 6 of them were there, most of them talked for first time itself 1 minute and all. And afterwards,
Okay.
when they were permitted to talk, there was not much confusion. Each one waited till the other person completed, and
Yeah.
their
Yeah.
interview went on well. Their GD went on well.
It's advantage actually.
Yeah.
Less number of
Rahul,
members.
Rahul, what is the broadband are you using? Are you using broadband or not?
No, so currently I'm using my cellular data because I'm traveling in the train. Actually, I'm not in the home.
Oh, then it is okay. Then it is okay.
Yesterday.
Then it will be
Okay.
like that only. Then it will be like
Yeah.
that only. Don't worry. Just listen.
Okay.
You need not speak also. Just be listening to what we are doing here. Ram Kumar,
Yes,
do you
sir.
have any questions to Sambasiva? Ram Kumar, Shiva,
topics.
and Ram Kumar, do you have any questions based on what Sambasiva told?
No, sir. I have one question. Sir. What was the today's question GD topic?
Today's GD
Some-
topic has not come yet. Today's GD topic has not come, but mostly they are repeating the same question.
Okay, sir. Case type only, sir.
They are caselets only. They are repeating the same question. So it will be easy only for us. If you have attended previous sessions, then you can easily do it. It is not a problem.
Yes,
Even
I
though
have-
it is not, sir, even though it is not repeated, because it is situational questions, we can talk at that moment.
Yeah. Because it is only situation-based question. So it was not very difficult because you can presume whatever you want and then from that you can speak. Then Shiva, do you have any question? Nishant,
No,
do you
sir.
have? No questions?
No questions, sir. Clarified.
Right. We will have Naveen, Idayat. Do you have any questions?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No. Then I will ask Sambasiva. Sambasiva. After that, in the robotic interview, what were the questions asked to you?
Sir, it is also like same general questions. One question is what is your future future goals? What you will do?
What did you
And
say?
another,
What did you say?
sir, it is actually generally described. Actually, I got my GD was completed at 3:30, but results came after 6 o'clock. After that, a robotic was conducted. I attempted. Actually, it takes only 3 minutes, hardly 3 minutes.
Good.
That one.
So it took only 3 minutes.
Yes, sir. Because 2 answers 60 seconds means 2 minutes. Questions 20 seconds. Overall 3 minutes. That's it.
1 minute. Here somebody is not able to come. Rahul has come now. Na? Correct. Rahul Ram Tyagarajan. It is somebody else. Just a minute. I'm calling one candidate. I'm calling one candidate. In the meantime, you be talking. Sambasi. Achha, Rahul.
In the meetings, I am Rahul Srinivas, sir.
Achha, you are only Rahul Srinivas. Thank you. Achha, same person. Good. Now, shall I give the topic to you? GD topic. Ready? All of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Instead of giving the regular topic, they are giving their situational topics. We will have normal topics, general topics, which
Sir, I will be stay or can I leave?
Rahul, what happened?
Sir, I am Sambashiva.
Sambasiva, if you want to go, you can go. No problem. If
Okay,
you
sir,
want
if
to
you
stay,
want,
you can stay. If you want to stay, you can stay. Otherwise, if you have some work, you can always go. No problem.
sir, I will leave, and if you intimate me, I will join
Yeah.
also.
Next, yeah, as it is today, only this session. Possibly tomorrow, I may again assemble. At that time, I can call you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Please
you, sir.
go.
Thank you very
Best
much.
wishes. You
Thank you, sir.
you have given me confidence that we can do
Yes,
things.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye. 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 Yeah. So now others who are present here, Shiva, Ramkumar, Nishant, Galaxy, Ragul, Naveen, Idayat, you are lucky. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you are there. You can participate very nicely. The topic I'm going to give you is general topic like
Okay.
say, what is that? Digitalization in banking has brought more difficulties than advantages. Digitalization has brought more problems than comforts. This is my topic. How are you going to react? Here, each person will be given 1 minute time to talk on that topic. Afterwards, the GD will be thrown open for you to talk. To start with, who came first today? I don't
Shiva.
know. Shiva. Shiva, where is
Yes.
Shiva? Shiva, start.
Yes. Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Shiva Sai Kumar.
Hmm.
I am from Hyderabad. I'm glad to start the discussion of today topic digitalization in banking sector. So in my opinion, it is a current relevant topic to us. So in the pandemic situation, sir, we are using all banks are using digitalizations. The cashless transactions are very high. So in that situation, people are affected by the threats, cyber attacks. So in a cashless transactions, so they are facing the more cyber threats and security reasons, security attacks. So in order to avoid the cyber threats, the banks are provide the awareness about the digitalization programs, so they can prevent the threats.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Shiva, you were there yesterday or you are coming only today?
Yeah, it means I'm not. Yes, today only came.
Acha, acha. Those who are coming for the first time, kindly pay 200 to GPay. Okay.
So actually, I came first time. Before that, first that in Shivasai Kumar, sir.
At that time, you paid 200.
Yeah.
Yeah, then no need for making payment. Only once you need to make payment. That will do.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Ram Kumar, you please continue.
Yes, sir.
Please continue on this topic. Digitalization is putting problems for us.
Yes. Government and the private sectors companies give digitalization only for the people's people's purpose for made thing it's at an easy one-step process. But nowadays digitalization become a problem for common people because most of them will have cellular phones, but there are some external viruses and some smaller functions are also happening in the banking sectors also, so that they can use our password and personal things and become it will be a danger for us.
What happened? Hello. What happened? Ram Kumar. Why? You can participate later on. Okay. You are struggling. Nishant, can you speak?
Yes, sir.
Speak.
Good evening, everyone. I am Nishant Rajput, and I would like to share some thoughts on digitalization, problems on digitalization. Majorly, there are problem facing in rural areas. They do not aware of this technology and some kinds of mobile phones. They have to be
facing more problem than urban areas.
Hmm.
Sometimes they misguided and their financial use are doing by some people's wrong times. They can convert their money in some other accounts. They misguided and they just
Hmm.
provide fake information, and they had to be problematic for the rural peoples. And another for example, we face sometimes our whenever we going for the payment,
Hmm.
sometimes network is slow or any barrier in network, then
Hmm.
our money has debited and they should be given time for 3 to 4 days for credited along. For those 2 to 3 days, it will be create a problematic situation. If you are in hurry or if you have the important work to do, then your money has gone for the processing payment. That is the majorly problem on that digitalization.
Very good. We'll go to Ragul. Ragul
Yeah,
Srinivas.
good evening, everyone. So I am Rahul Srinivas. So I would take a stand on, yeah, digitalization is a disadvantage. But if you consider the word
Others,
digitalization,
one minute. Others, unmute kar lijiye. Please unmute. Yeah. Ragul, only speak. The topic we are discussing is, what is that? Digitalization has brought problems
digitalization.
rather than bringing benefits. Yeah. Please
Yes,
speak.
sir, I know, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. Is it audible?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Like digitalization has been used since a decade. These are being used by bankers actually. We are using a ATM machine. So those servers are connected digitally, and even like when we go to a bank, like transaction like RTGS or NEFT, even those transactions are being maintained digitally. So when what I would say is when these transactions are performed by professional people, so it has a strong connectivity and what to say, they know it's proper. But when we people tend to do like as Nishant told, even I have the experience like I restart my mobile, so it actually cash was debited, but it wasn't transferred to my SIM card. So it took me a 10 days for refund. So we are having this kind of disadvantage. When that's what I like to conclude is like when people tend to use it, we get a disadvantage. Thank you, sir.
Sufficient. Now, who has to speak next? Ram Kumar, you spoke? No, you
Sir, good
stopped in between. Ram Kumar, would you like to continue now?
sir. Hello.
Yeah, Naveen, please speak.
Sir, it's Naveen. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Sir, I would like to talk about
You
benefits
are
of
from which, Naveen, you are from
uh,
which place?
sir, Erode, sir.
E Road. Very good. What is
Yeah.
your degree?
Sir, mechanical BE mechanical engineering, sir.
Okay. Now, which date is your interview?
Sir, coming 19th evening 6:15 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. sir.
Very good. Please continue. The topic is digitalization has brought problems.
Sir, may I start?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, the digitalization, the term nowadays it is.
Hello.
Sir,
Speak.
sir, there is a sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Sir, the problems in digitalization is people in rural areas having lack of knowledge to use the facilities. The they don't know about language. They have language barriers. So in banking facility, more apps and more banking terms are in English and Hindi and some other language there. For an example, in Tamil Nadu, in rural places, people don't know about English and Hindi there. Additionally, some help desks are not available in their local languages, sir. So these parameters, I feel that digitalization is not benefit to those peoples. This is my point, sir.
Okay, good. No problem. Hidayat. Hidayat, please. You are from which state? What is your degree? Yeah.
Good evening, friends. Myself, Mansur Hidayat. I am from Gujarat.
Hmm.
I have done my BTech in
Hmm.
mechanical engineering.
Yeah. Please speak.
So everyone is talking about its negative side, but as you can see, the digitalization provides some facility like the if if you are filling a online application form, then after you are paying fees by internet banking or visa card or debit card, if these facilities are not available, then you have to go to the post office and then you have to pay the fees. So these are the some of the benefits are provided by digitalization of banking. And also I am agree with some of friend told about the negative side of that. The some in a rural area, the people are not aware about that how things works properly, and they are misguided by someone, and they are putting their money on based on his or her trust, and they are losing it all.
Good. Sufficient. Nishant Galaxy, did you talk or not talk? Nishant Galaxy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did.
You did. You spoke. Everybody talk. Realme pad.
Sir,
They
no,
talk.
sir. Sir, good
Yeah.
evening.
Good evening. You are
I'm
from which place?
Vishwateja.
What is
I'm
your
from
name?
Telangana, sir. Vishwateja.
Acha, Vishwateja from
Vishwateja.
Telangana. What is your degree?
Telangana. I'm BTech, sir. I'm a BTech in electrical and electronics engineering.
Good. Please speak on digitalization effect, good or bad?
Sir, we cannot particularly say it's good or bad.
Hmm.
Digitalization is a process to utilize the services at our fingertips.
Hmm.
After evaluation of Geo implementation in our country,
Hmm.
before Geo evaluation, Airtel was charged around 300 rupees to 400 rupees for 1 GB data.
Hmm.
After evaluation of Geo, the data prices are cheaper.
Hmm.
With that only, digitalization comes to effect in India.
Hmm.
Around, as of a survey, around 80 to 90%
Hmm.
IT professionals are digitalizing their services.
Hmm.
Apart from banking sector, I'm talking. Apart from
Hmm.
banking sector,
Hmm.
when come to banking sector, the major problem is cyber security.
Hmm.
Jamtara is a city name. It's
Correct.
in Jharkhand.
Hmm.
They are famous for they are
Doing
cyber
frauds.
thieves.
Hmm.
They are cyber thieves.
Hmm.
They will come to attend in court sessions by flight.
Hmm.
From Jamtara, it's a rural area. I worked on election duty in Jamtara.
Hmm.
It happened to me. My position was EVM technician.
Hmm.
Duty was placed at RO office.
Hmm.
In RO office only, my debit card data was theft.
They took away. You are
They
from
took away.
Telangana.
Yes, sir. I am from Telangana. The
Hmm.
major problem with digitalization is cyber security.
Hmm.
If we want to provide cyber security, even we do any sub miracles also, digitalizations won't work.
Acha, what
Cyber-
happened to your debit card? You could get it back
No,
again?
sir. And yes, sir. Actually, they theft my data. Data, say CVV and all these things in RO office only. It's RO. Let's say is a cadre of DM, district magistrate cadre.
Hmm.
In his office only, they theft my data.
Oh, very sad. So
Very sad, sir.
I think what we should do on the back of the debit card, we should change the number and put it and remember the correct number in our mind. But it is
Okay.
difficult to follow.
Oh,
It is I hope you understand what I mean. If the correct
sir.
number is 939, you put on it 3384, something like that,
Okay.
so that the fellow
And
or erase that number.
okay, sir. And
Yeah.
after digitalization,
Hmm.
we are enjoying so many services. Let's say booking IRCTC ticket in pandemic. IRCTC booking at home became, let's say I got some free trip in Malaysia.
Good.
let's say, sir, there's a person staying in rural while at the time of pandemic, no services were there to travel from one state to another state.
Mm.
IRCTC counters were closed at the railway stations.
Mhm.
This bought
Mhm.
even UPI, the whatever UPI bought from the RBI,
Mm.
UPI services also giving an advantage,
Mhm.
booking railway tickets,
Mm.
recharges,
Mm.
including education fees,
Mm.
examination fees,
Mm.
all these things.
Good.
Apart from this, cyber security as well as the technical architecture. When we comes to technical architecture, also it is somewhat difficult to maintain in digitalization process.
Mhm. Good.
Sir, I
We are
would like to add some points, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Rahul.
Mm.
So, like coming to the point, like that person has said that UPI and other transaction is beneficiary, but adding to the UPI, not only in rural, even in cities, when the data, like not everywhere you can get a proper network. So, in between, while we are performing, like some cases, like you can't go completely cashless. It also has some shortcomings. So I think in digitalization in the transaction, it possesses some shortcomings. But on the same vein, when we take it on taking online class, I want to share experience.
Mm.
My mom is also graduated in MA English.
Mm.
Also, like she's also a trained nutritionist. While in the
Mm.
pandemic situation, she took online spoken classes also, and also yoga classes. So both simultaneously she took these classes. So it's also like we can able to manage our economy. So
Good.
it's also yeah.
Yeah.
So
Ragul, you have to be brief when you are speaking. So
okay,
and here, of course, there are less number of people, no problem. But when more
okay,
number of people, it will be difficult for you to get this much time. Now,
yeah,
this video will stop now after some time. After 20 seconds, again you re-log in. We will take up another topic also for discussion in that Zoom. So this Zoom meeting will be completed in next 1 or 2 minutes. Don't worry. If it stops, we will re-log in and we will have one more topic for discussion. Before that, any doubts any of you have now before taking new topic? All of you participated well. You could have told digitalization has in fact brought more advantages than disadvantages. Specifically, true
Sir.
that, yeah.
Sir, actually, I have a suggestion.
Yeah.
I even don't remember the name.
Mm.
Some said myself.
Mm.
Instead of saying myself, kindly use I am. Myself will superlative.
Mm.
You are explaining about yourself only.
Mm.
It want good when you are someone asks, tell me about yourself. Don't use myself. It's a suggestion.
No,
That
true.
those who's
Introduction, you have to say, I am so and so. I am Siva. Like that only you will speak. Okay.
That's my suggestion, sir.
Yeah, that is correct. So that
And
will,
sir,
yeah.
I have one query.
Mm.
Whenever you introduce the topic, you said what is the negatives of the digitalization.
Mm.
Can we go you to the cross, because I have known the more advantages of digitalization, but you said the tell the what is the negatives of digitalization. That's why I told about the negatives.
See, very good. Now, in fact, only 1 minute is there, but I will just tell the topic. One girl was given one question. Can you recollect and talk to us for 1 minute an incident where you convinced other person? Where you convinced other person? I will tell you what answer she gave afterwards. Another question was, what is your long-term goal? Maybe we can take this for next round also. What is your long-term goal? But of course, robotic interview is no elimination. You will be selected automatically. Here we are trying to use our ability to speak well in English. I will stop with this, close. and then come on the next